Let me ask you a question. Is your primary source of income enough to cover your bills and pay all your monthly expenses? Now, for most people, their primary source of income, mostly from their job, is simply not enough to cover their overhead. A lot of people around the world, especially in North America, have to get into debt. And that's why we have this credit card debt crisis. For most people, they have to get into debt that they don't know when they're going to pay it off in order to just fund their living expenses, to fund their kids' college education.
Hey, do you mind paying for this? I don't have any cash.
Sure, I'll just put it on my credit card. I'm never going to pay it back anyway.
For most people, that one source of income is simply not enough just to live a decent life, to make a comfortable living, unless they have a high-income skill or high-income profession or they run a business. And that's just a challenge that a lot of people face. And today, I'm going to share with you 7 legit ways to make extra money today, an income stream that anyone can start. Now, before I get into it, knowing that these income streams, they're not designed to replace your existing income. They are designed to add on. They're designed to supplement what you're earning right now. So these are income streams that you can start part-time, right? You can start in the evening, on the weekends. That shouldn't take away your focus or effort or whatever you're doing now to earn that primary source of income. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Let's say you have a job that's making you $3,000 a month. What this side hustle is designed to do is to make you another $500 a month, $1,000 a month. It helps to pay for your mortgage payment. It helps to pay for your car payment or your grocery payment. Doesn't matter what it is. And these are little income streams that you could start on the side. Income stream number 1. Sell on eBay or Craigslist. Now, one of the very early internet businesses that I started was actually selling on eBay. I was actually buying things from Hong Kong and importing them to Canada and actually flipping them on eBay. Now, you do hear this quite often now. People talk about going to the flea market or going to Alibaba, buying certain things and they're flipping it on eBay or selling them on Craigslist. You're taking something from other countries, other places, and then selling them on a global market platform, a marketplace, just to make the difference, right? You're kind of the middleman in order to earn a little bit of money. Or maybe you have some things in your house that's been sitting there for a while. Ask yourself the question, how can you turn that trash into cash?
50本持ってることときめきますか?
Now, maybe that is trash for you, maybe very valuable to somebody else. Maybe something that your granddad has, you may think it's not worth anything, but it may be worth a lot to somebody else if you put it on Craigslist or on eBay. It is an easy way to turn junk into some kind of income stream. Now, it's not something you want to do long term, but it is a good way to get started. Income stream number 2, drive for Uber or Lyft. Now, although less people are traveling because of COVID-19, but guess what is hot right now? Food delivery. Anybody, if you have a car, you could get into that business and start a side hustle that way. Doesn't take a lot of money. I was watching some Hong Kong news and it was talking about because of COVID-19, unemployment rate is high. A lot of even white collar jobs are gone. And some of these people now, they transition into delivering food and they've never done it before. They don't have a whole lot of experience. It's not easy because you have to deliver the food. Doesn't matter it's a rainy day or sunny days, but they do make a decent amount of money. In fact, in some cases, they make more money as a food delivery driver compared to the white collar jobs before. For some, this is their main source of income. For some, this is a side hustle, something that they do on the weekend or in the evening after work. Regardless, it is an income stream that anyone can start. Income stream number 3, become a freelancer. I'm talking about video editor, graphic designer, writer. Anyone could get started because now there's so much demand in the marketplace. You can see it from Upwork or Guru.com. There's so much demand for professionals, for freelancers out there. By developing your skill, and anyone could learn this, you may take some online courses, learn how to do that graphic design, how to do that website design, or how to edit that video. With a laptop, you could work from home and you could work from anywhere. And you could do this part-time, you can do this full-time. Again, you can do this on the weekends. Easy income stream anyone can do. Number 4, teach a language. Now, you may not think about this, but because now a lot of people, they're stuck at home, they're looking to develop a new language skill. So maybe you're thinking about, oh, I speak English, what's the big deal? Well, you could easily become online English teacher, teach other people, being a tutor to teach other people, other kids how to speak that language, vice versa. People want to learn Mandarin, you have Mandarin speaking speakers, they could now teach English speakers how to speak Mandarin. Do it through Zoom, do it through Skype. You could charge per hour. Now, what I would recommend is you actually don't charge per hour, but you sell a bundle, a block of hours. It could be 5 hours or 10 hours, and all you have to do is just chat with people, have a conversation, and you can make money that way. So if you like talking to people, you enjoy connecting with people, that's an easy way to make extra money. Income stream number 5, give lessons. There might be some skill sets, some expertise, or some experience that you have that you may not be thinking of charging, or why would anyone pay me for that? Don't underestimate yourself. Maybe you know how to play piano. With Zoom, you could teach other people online lessons and teach them piano lessons, guitar lessons, yoga lessons, workout, you name it. The sky is the limit. People want to learn. People have free time. People are stuck at home. Now, you could do one-on-one, or you could even do group classes that gives you more leverage. So think about what are some of the things that you know how to do. Maybe you don't even think about it. You don't think there's any value in doing that, but you are very good at that.
So good and tasty.
Think about how many people in the world that are willing to pay you to learn a few things from you. They are willing to take lessons from you. Income stream number 6, become a virtual assistant. Now, this especially makes a lot of sense if where you live, low cost of living, because then you can provide virtual assistant service to business owners in more developed countries where when they hire an executive assistant, it costs so much more. But in your country, they could hire you. Philippines has a lot of virtual assistants. There's so many websites that business owners go to find virtual assistants, such as Time Extra or Get Magic or Virtual Staff Finder. There's so many of them. Simply you can go set up an account. If you're organized, if you have some assistant skill, and those are pretty simple skills that anyone can learn, you could do this, especially if you're at home and you have a lot of free time. Become a virtual assistant. Income stream number 7, give professional answers. Could you believe that you could actually make money answering people's questions? There's a website out there called justanswer.com. If you have expertise in medicine, in law, in information technology, things that are a little bit higher skill, more valuable skill sets, I mean, people are willing to pay you to give them answers in certain area of expertise, justanswer.com. Those are just some simple and legit ways for you to earn extra money.